So, for multiple choice, bale, problem for 1 and 2. So, compute natin yung fair value at par value ng mga shares na inisyu ni Burns to acquire Sighing Incorporated. So, wait, mali pala yung pinapakita kong screen. Sorry for that. So, sinabi na sa problem na walang goodwill. So, zero yung goodwill natin. And then, ang fair value nung net identifiable assets is 2 million. So, ito siya. So, nagwo-work back tayo. So, kung walang goodwill, it follows na yung consideration transferred is also 2 million. So, from there, pwede na nating makompute yung number 1. Kung tama nga ba? Yeah, yung number 1. How much is the acquisition date fair value per share nung ordinary shares na in-issue? So, if the consideration transferred is 2 million at meron tayong 20,000 wait. I think I'm showing the wrong solution. Dito pala sa baba. Okay. If the consideration transferred is 2 million at meron tayong in-issue na 20,000 shares. I think nabanggit yun sa problem. Yeah. So, divide mo lang yan and you'll have the fair value per share. I think medyo mali yung label natin. That's fair. Hindi par. That's fair value per share na 100 pesos. So, sagot natin sa number 1 ay D. And then for the par value, again, we start from the consideration transferred kasi yung fair value ng shares. I-deduct mo yung increase sa premium. So, ang result nun is 1,000,006 increase sa share capital, which is also the par value of the shares issued. So, i-divide natin yung 1,000,006 sa number of shares issued na 20,000. So, lalabas ang par value per share ay 80. So, yun yung sagot natin sa number 2.